the very first thing I would do in editing this, I would zoom up a little bit and I would start working with this fly hair. So let's go ahead and do that. So right up here, we have our spot healing brush tool, but I'm going to specifically come down to the healing brush tool. Okay. And I'm going to adjust the size up here and make sure its hardness is 0. Photoshop does want you to alt click to define a source endpoint to be used. All right, so alt click. So what we're going to do is first we're going to zoom in a little better, and we're really going to get up there on that. All right, so this is perfect. And what we're going to do is we are going to go to healing brush tool, and that's about the size I want. A little bit bigger, right? So we're going to alt left click. That pulls a sample directly from where we are going to cover. Now be careful, because what you're going to happen is you might start getting pressure marks on the outside of your brush, or you might start bringing in the other texture. This is a great way to preserve texture, okay, as we go along. And first we just want to kind of roughly get it all out of there, and then we'll come back and all using samples from the exact skin area. And just be careful so you don't put like moles or other marks and duplicating them over there. So we're going to get in really fine, and we are going to alt left click. And as you guys see, I'm alt left clicking and I'm changing where we are. And sometimes it is duplicating spots I don't want. And we're going to just get that really close. Okay. And then we're going to go over here and we're just going to start alt left clicking. And we're going to sample very close to where that skin color and texture is identical. As you can see, I'm going right above first. The goal is to get this alt left click through here. Okay. Fly hair removing. And this hair is definitely just overlapping, and it's kind of like taking away from the photo. So we want to just first get this hair out. Alt left click, and just keep going with it. We want that totally removed from that area there. And then we're going to come back and we're going to tighten it up here. So, all right. Now, as you can see, I'm choosing from different areas right around the same area and just eliminating any pressure marks or spots that aren't consistent. And as you can see, look at that, just totally blending down. Okay, and we're almost through with our first step of removing that hair. All right, and we're just going to go right like that. Okay. We're just going to kind of double back a little bit. And that looks really nice. A little bit right here. We could probably Control Z on your keyboard, or you can go up to edit and undo. All right, next, guys, we're going to focus on mole removal.